Hello, my name's Neil and I'm here to introduce the Spring of Code project Portfolio Fusion. Now to give you an overview, here's the Portfolio Fusion page, and really it's about bringing together different types of profile to help us find work that we'll enjoy and be good at if we haven't been lucky enough to find it already. So to start off with, there's a psychometric element. So there's a questionnaire that will be asked that will capture elements of the personality, interest, motivation, and that will bring it together to be a personality profile. And then in addition, unusual combinations, career matches, activity preferences, motivations, team styles, etc. And then combining that with LinkedIn type things, so standard CV data, but then also bringing in sort of a more comprehensive profile of activities. So not just what you've learned on the job or in a formal education environment, but also what you've learned sort of experientially, sort of from books you've read. So this is trying to build up an activity. Essentially, it's a spreadsheet at the moment, but the idea would be to come up with a more robust and scalable digital way of capturing and storing this information. So here's a sample spreadsheet which has got some sample activities in, so networking meetings. There's even a Spring of Code workshop here. Then to give you an idea how this actually works, at the moment this is my Twitter feed. So if I find an article, say this one, and I like it, I can call up something called Faviki, which searches the text, and you can see that this is about speech recognition. These are all the Wikipedia categories. So you just tag it like that, save, close. So that would be one of the tools that we'll be looking to integrate. Then you aggregate that even further, and this is actually my own personal one, activity record. It goes down all the way to my GCSEs, which a little while ago now. And you build that up into visualizations like this. So I emphasize that this isn't my actual knowledge map, this is a sample one. Unfortunately, I don't have any of these technical skills, but the size of the area is the amount of knowledge in that area, and the depth of colour is how much you've used it in the workplace. Further aggregating that, you could then, this is a fusion table with all that information in, and you could search it. Instead, that could be about economics. I spelled that wrong, no, it's not a good sign. And this is filtered by the Wikipedia tags. The next steps are that you've got this open source software, so I need to move the trialing for the psychometrics out of Google Docs into this. With the help of a couple of people from Spring of Code, we've already managed to get this open source software, get our own version, and this is something I'm currently working with, and we'll be looking for extra help to get the content online and then build in the APIs to get the learning data as well. Thanks for listening, and hope to see you soon at a Spring of Code event.